Yeah, the Friday morning, we are broke as fuck.
Lwesihlanu.
We are broke as fuck. We got no jobs. We got no business opportunities. I can't say we don't have business opportunities. Just that we don't have land.
Yeah.
Actually, I want to speak about land this time around. We do have our dreams, Nanani, but in order for us to fulfill those, we need land of it
Mhm.
so that we can establish ourselves. What the incoming years, because what I see from now on, we youth, we need to find a way to see savings in
Mm,
Bafethu.
mm.
Because ukuriyala kuma-jobs,
Abantu bavele bakuxoshe nje so.
you can't pay the legacy in it. Impossible. So into engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo ukuthi in this
Asifosteni.
freedom esiyitholile nani 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 nani, how do we get iland mfethu so that we can establish ourselves, that is shaya amabhizinisi ethu local, because you will find out now ama-8 we-funding only to find out bayokubuza ukuthi le nto lena eshoyo yenzelaphi. Then comes ama-challenges-ke lapho-ke, uba-frustrated ezinye. Mawuthi akamasipala, usually uyayibona i-piece of land ukuthi okay nayo i-piece of land ekasi yakho umuntu eyisebenzisayo. By the time uhambe uyofuna i-information kwi-municipality, ufike bakutshele nenye into lapha labantu laba bathi hey isitende sabane sabane, hence kunaboma 25 years to 15 years leso stende leso ingahlali. So mina, I don't know what you have to say about this thing, because ngikhuluma umoya kakhulu, because i-movement imile i-movement sikhona kuyenza next.
Yimele sifoste. Mina ngithi siwuthathe nje lo mhlaba ngenkani. Angazi ukuthi sawuphelelaphi nanani yabo. Mara nje yona lento ishoyo sibhala. It is. Exactly like that. Because kwesinye isikhathi kwalowo mhlaba usuke unganamuntu or ungasebenzi nani. By the time uthi uyawucela ubone sekuba khona ama-activities enzakalayo. Awubizwanga wena, sebayayivula le car wash le bofuna ukuyivula or whatever lena ofuna ukuyivula.
Yes.
So ezinye izinto zilapho.
So sasafara bafethu, sasafara as a community, we suffer due to politics.
Yeah, bengisafuna ukusho nje ngithi konke it boils down ukuthi awubani abashaya umthetho. Labantu abashaya umthetho ngabe basibekela umthetho osivivayo or umthetho wabo bona ukuthi bathi self-entrenchment. Almost ama-politics, it's all about that. Politics is mangiyeke ngadla nje hayi okunye nokunye sisakubona.
Yabona, so akuna-movement lapho mawuzocabangela isisu-ke igazi lohlala lingendlela elinayo. Ngiyowangitshela bafethu, we need ama-sites funa ukuyenza izinto zethu bafethu, and into zethu zilile.
So isn't it ukuthi whenever njengoba usho manje yabo ukuthi izinto zimile due to whatever political role it's not being played or it's at play kuyo yonke into eyenzakalayo. How do we go about it till we get people ekuyibona bona kufanele ngabe at least ke siyazama ukubuza ukuthi how can we actually fix our time?
I think as a community kunezinto esingasazenzi, njengokuthi sibe nama-meetings esikhulume ngazo lezi zinto, because angeke sikhulume as individuals manje uyabona siyi-two. You don't have any power siyi-two, so we must unite as a community. I know kunama-groups nani community development nani whereby bakhona bahlala bakhona lapho akuorganize ama-meeting kukhulunywe ukuthi how do we go about izinto zaku-development ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi we need ama-sites because ama-funding aids akhona. They want us ukuthi sibe nama-sites la sokhona uku-establisha khona lento lena esiyibhalile on the paper. As I say, sadinga ukuhlangana as a community sibe nalawo ma-meetings, so sizokhuluma ukuthi who do we put in power so that izinto masiyifuna sizoba ne-easy access to, because we tend to ube ne-ward councillor engahlali nohlala ekhathi. How do you go about ukuze ikhalazo zabantu enzingatholakala?
Angithi ngakho mina bese ngisho ukuthi how do we fix that, because lento lesiyibonakele and ngiyayizwa lento eshoyo
Must
ukuthi
unite as a
sidinga
community.
ama-meeting. So leya ama-meeting mangathi ukwana ama-meeting asewakhona, ama-meeting sewabekelwa abomakhansela njengokusho manje ukuthi at some instances uthola ukuthi ikhansela lihlala kwakuhlala ewadini so uzosibona kanjani isidingo sokwenza i-meeting not unless kuba i-meeting evezwa iphathi yakhe,
Because you find out ukuthi ikhansela lize laceda i-term yakhe yonke, only thing ayenzile ukufakela istrati sakhe amanzi. The only thing umuntu ayenzile ukufakela la ahlala khona amanzi. Uyenzini?
kwayona nje lento leyo ukuthi amanzi sibale kumele afakwe ngama-truck. It's total BS kahle masisikhuluma iqiniso nanani, because masikhuluma bo-service delivery, that's what we were actually referring to. So why is it kumele silethele amanzi?
So kunama-challenges abhaya kanye nephini yethu bafundisi. So I don't know how we go about ukuthi sibalungise, because ilokishi ingcolile ngapha abantu abasebenzi akuchashangana abantu ku-municipality bakhona ukukini into zakhe. The only thing matters is Standerton. The only thing that matters is Standerton. Standerton saklinwa each and every day. Kunabasebenzi from the municipality abaclean Standerton edrobheni. Kodwa la elokishini okay, there are programs njengabo CWP and blah 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 and those security guys
khona no.
But though sifuna ama-post azoba permanent, shiwo ukuthi lo muntu lona vele umsebenzi wakhe uklina la elokishini, akunama-dumping site. Phela labantu laba we found out ukuthi after 4 months i-contract isiphekile abasasebenzi, so ilokishi idinga uklinwa for 3 months.
Kumele kube i-continuous shandis.
You see, that's why ngithi akube nento estable ezonikezwa abantu basebenza manje kumsebenzi.
Phela konke it lies, mina ngisasho ukuthi how do we actually fix it nana, because ekugcineni kwakho abantu ababekumthetho kuba yiwona ama-politician, because umasipala wakhiwa ngama-politician kuphela, sanda boma-HOD aboma-clerk nanani other departments nanani athola lento leyo. People who actually do their strike or go all their way ekutheni nabo izinto zihambe ngendlela ekufanele zihambe ngayo. Thina what do we do, because you did mention ukuthi we need to like come together on what banner, because ekugcineni kwakho into ebhorayo ukuthi wonke umuntu makafike ufuna usihlanganisa ngopolitiki and le politiki engasebenzeli. Bheka mina ngiyincane EFF I for one, but manginenkinga ne-EFF, how do I even get access to umalema nanani or whosoever
Because we tend to ekugcineni kumele size silwe ukuze sithole izinto, because namfuna kube ne-violence ekugcineni, akumelanga kuze kulwe kuze kenzeke izinto right.
That's true, but how do we actually fix that? That's the biggest like question that we have. And njengoba ushilo ukuthi ezinye izinto we cannot discuss them C2 nanani, because this could matter to about 100.
Lento lena seyishaya ku-youth, must come together as youth. Okay, ukuthi nibastripha off abantu abadala, so they play their part now. Ayidlalile iphathi yabo, so thina kumele silwe as youth. So into engiyibonayo manje abantu bayahlehlela emuva manje.
Give up wena.
Give up abantu vele sebayinikele ishiqi ema-drugsini. And then nama-candidates mfethu are strong.
Phela kwesinye isikhathi nanento yama-drugs, it comes due to the fact ukuthi we don't have that much of activities happening
Bekunama-activities bekudala, ma ayi-apply ama-activities.
Karate.
So i-youth akube nama-groups mfethu kungenelelwe ey'kolweni mfethu angazi singayenza kanjani. See, kunama-programs thina besasiwabukela sesebancane njengabo Dynamite Roots,
Yeah, Dynamite.
abo Soul Buddies. Those shows mfethu bewasifundisa thina ukuthi how sinepower engakanani as a-youth. That's the way thing ifunayo ukuthi sinepower engakanani as a-youth.
Yazi, sorry nje to cut you Qhubekane. I think at the time njengoba usho ukuthi bekunamashow afana nalawo wabalile it was because of the people that were in those spaces bebanalo ugcozi lokuthi bafundise, or they understood the power that the media has, the power engqondweni yomuntu nanani. Hence they would make things that are actually positive nesifundisayo ukuthi zibe nation building in the later stage nanani. So
that's true.
hence ngisho ngithi yabona ingozi iba sekutheni we let people abakhuluma kamnandi or abenza izinto ngazathi ziyachaza nanani ukuthi kube yibona egcine kwawo ngabasithathela inqumo, mara mase sikhuluma nje ivari ayicha basuke ba-weak isibani, ingakho sisithola sinking nezinto.
Akunama-programs kasilungile nje see. That's why i-youth motabheke teenage pregnancy high. Teenage pregnancy la esibhedlela manje kuyi-Friday nje khona bebadilizwa maybe 11 babo
Ngewekasteni bekhona uthola umntana.
Nezinto ezingasayenzeki elokishini ezingaseva abantwana bethu.
Yaqhubeka lapho ngeke sodlala ithuba.
Kunezinto ezingasayenzeki elokishini bethu ezingasiza abantwana bethu kakhulu ukuthi ba-drift away towards lezi zinto lezi ezirong. Because ama-drugs bafethu even lamatshufa abo ama-happy bubblies nani bakuyenza at an early stage kulokhu. Nilaba-programs bafethu asisizini i-youth hayi.
Akona kumele kube khona umnyakazo emnyakazweni nathi we should initiate some things. I think what we can actually do we can bring about visuals because we already starting and it's something that we can have or that we have rather other than us stressing with singabahlalisana boxing abantwana
so in the long run nathi singathola abantu abangakhona ukusifunda so that we can initiate or instill nama-programs in our communities, in this community sakhile specifically. You see, okay, akhona amanye ama-programs ayenzakalayo engiwabonayo kunama-aftercare yabo whereby abantwana bakuphuma isikolo they go there babayenzisa ama-homeworks. Lezo zinto lezo ziyasiza ekutheni zibaqhelise kule zinto lezi ey'bhedayo ezenzakalayo elokishini. Bafethu ilokishi li-toxic siyakwazi lo. So we have to do our best ukuthi si-protect the-youth, especially the young laba abakhulayo from the early stage ku-primary. Labantu laba kumele si-instile lento lena engqondweni yabo ukuthi we have to fight impi yasakabe inqobi. There's still a long way to go bafethu. So thina masibheka down now sikhawatshabona labantu laba i-future.
Because makumosheke thina bona bazosala banganani. Hence kunje ngayo indaba yama-foreign nationals okanye amazayizayo. Because we succumb to the point yokuthi accessions and then we welcome them. They took over almost every informal business that you can think of. Because a tuck shop is classified as an informal business, which is reserved for South Africans. Because foreign nationals, they expected to come and bring in business. We can't provide it. It's 5 million, and then it has the workforce that it's going to bring about. Tuck shop, abumababa izinto lezi ezingadingi yonke lento le and ekungamelanga ngabe filwe ama-foreign nationals ngale ndlela le ayifile ngayo. Because ingakho uzothola ukuthi ekugcineni kwawo konke abantwana baze bashona le eGoli somewhere thiwa badla ama-snacks. It's because these
No.
people don't care that much. They want to end up in mad. Yabo. So bekumele kwenzakaleni ke? How do you actually go about that if we don't play indima yethu ekutheni we protect these things nana? Because if singanamali, I think kuba nzima ukuthi singenza any of these things nana. Because if we were like in charge of a tuck shop nana, I think we would be able to buy ibhola, the volleyball for laba from playing. Punching bag.
Ama-institutions ayafuneka. Kumele kube namayi mfethu, i-movement is slow. Sidinga ama-institutions mfethu. But different institutions actually. Because abantwana, they don't have the same talents.
Bad.
To say, makakutshela ma Standerton, you don't have even a swimming pool. Standerton sonke.
Ma-swimming akhona yilawa.
We don't have any ma-private lawa wasezindlini nana, but any public we don't have. So angeke size siyikhiphe thina umuntu oyoswima la as a career. Somkhipha kanjani loswima? Ayikho athlete loswima la Standerton loswima.
Shuthi ama-Olympics lo besibukela e-TV.
So lokho sibukele e-TV. So ezinye izinto mfethu zasicindezela. Zasicindezela, sidinga ama-centers, ama-institutions whereby azosiza i-youth mfethu ukuthi badrift away.
So what's your take ke ngoba usho ukuthi kudingeka ama-center because zikhona indawo ezifana Kids Sakhile Youth Empowerment Center, and it's not just focusing indabeni zama-talent, they also do indaba zokunela abantu isikolo.
So
do we need more?
Mina sengikhalela ukuthi mina into engishoyo ama-institutions engiwashoyo ukuthi bawakhe are those institutions bazokhona ukwenza lezi zinto lezi practical. Njengokuthi kube nama-theatre wathiwayo ukuthi khona abantwana
abakhona bayiqalile lento leyo. Uwena uyiqalile ise-Stanwest.
Lento leyo beyingekho. Sivuleka ama-opportunities akanjalo.
Mara still njengobusho kufuneka igwala because these kids cannot be there every day igciniwa konke kumele kudliwe but they've actually expanded it into ekutheni ibe say this thing bazama ukuyenza ibe self-sufficient, yabo. We're trying to produce shows where we can go and watch. We must go and support, guys. Lama please mesiba wahlanganisile. I don't know ukuthi kuzoba my entrance amamalini yabo. That's how they trying to keep it afloat kodwa nje latha guiding kufuneka some sponsors na yonke lento leyo at least.
Yes, ama-sponsors. So those institutions they can easily get ama-sponsors because if lento lena bayenza practical mfethu kuba nogquzu nawo lokuthi lento le ngiyaphusha manje. Abe different nje nama-institutions. Ofuna ukudlala ibhola yodlala ibhola lapho kube ne-institutions e-right mfethu ne-platform e-right ukuthi babonakale. Uthanda isigela
ashaye into zakhe zesigela.
Khona yabona manje
angithi yabo isayek has to do with all those things. Bayona lena ingikhatha kuyo ngoba isayek has ventured into this final something what they do about innovation, bakhuluma ngazo nezinto lezakuma science I4IR and then they say straight here the focus is school, and then when did they get to do art? We have your creative Shagavi and stuff that deal with endeavors of theater for artists and artists of any kind. So I think we actually heading toward the right direction to some 2 cent degree so we need that support and recognition and then we venture into other things that's how we can actually fight in the drugs. Because if we can get more activities our corner then people have more to do instead of them having to we have like 5 minutes or 2 minutes.
So bafethu
you might better get the point now.
ngicela the point
enjoying so makuzoba khona these activities just abantu bazokhona ukuthi ingqondo zabo zibe too busy ukuthi bangaze bacabanga ukuthi bazama ukwenza izinto ezibakhawathayo. Yeah,
Okay. That's it, perfect. Yeah. These are the conversations we need to be having. So I think next time on we'll be having someone or a third party to this.
Yeah.
You see. So Sibeni, let's just encourage about it. Just put them in. So till the next episode.
Conversations in the shed.
Yes.
Do, 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 do.